What about slop till you drops?
Slop?
Like, get sloppy with your clothing. Slop till you drop.
Slop like mop. What about mop? Do they make
Mop till
floor
you drop.
cleaner?
They might. I don't know. I'm sure they have all sorts of cleaner. You can use your mop for anything, right? So dumb. Hey, I'm Allie Lefevre.
And I'm Lindsay Rush, and we are the founders of Ideating, a creative agency specializing in humor.
And you're watching Can They Brand That, a brainstorming show where we pick a brand, set the timer for 20 minutes, and brainstorm as many wild ideas as we can.
And today's featured brand is Drops. So Drops is the original laundry detergent pod with eco-friendly ingredients. And now they've expanded. They do a ton of other household cleaning stuff, dish soap, air fresheners. So it's the whole jam, but it's powerful cleaning by nature.
Whole shebang. Okay, well, let's start the timer and answer the question on everyone's mind. Can they brand that? The first thing I thought of, it's a very simple phrase, but get a load of drops.
That is lovely and good.
Double meaning.
I feel like that sort of ties into take a load off.
Yeah. Yeah,
because like
shave a few loads off.
Take a few, yeah, because like one little pod is gonna go.
Yeah, it goes further.
Gentle loads for your mental loads. Too much loads really at the moment.
What about reduce, reuse, rinse cycle?
So good. It's a pantry dropper.
Pantry. Yeah, that's great. What about we're dropping F-bombs and F is fresh? Stupid.
This is obvious and we'll get sued by Folgers, but good to the last drops.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Make a clean break from other laundry detergents.
That's nice. It may seem like just a drops in the bucket, but we're making an impact on the environment.
That's nice. What about our conscience is clean?
Oh yeah. Because it's also like eco-conscious and clear consciences. Yeah. That's a hard word. Did you say clean your conscience?
No, I said, no, that's
like
good too.
that.
I said our conscience is clean.
Yes.
Did I say we clean up nicely? Did I say that? Or is that
No, that's nice. Our ingredient list isn't a laundry list.
Drops everything.
Jaw dropsing, clean at the drops of a hat.
Loads better than the competition.
Soap for the best. Don't be a soap scumbag. Use clean products.
I like it.
That's a diss. That's a mic drops. And let's just end with, there she's back in the atmosphere with drops of laundry detergent everywhere. Hey, hey. Tell me, do you do another load?